morning. Calming the monkey mind. What could that possibly mean? For many people, and the thought of meditation, they're like, well, that's a great idea. But how do we do it? We can't slow down our mind enough to empty the mind. Some people in the martial arts worlds and meditations and yogas and Taoist philosophies will call this the monkey mind. Always chittering, always chattering. So one way you can do it is you can do an activity that causes you to focus more on the activity than what's going on in your mind. This is why I'm walking backwards with you right now. You may have noticed if you try to walk backwards, you got to pay more attention. It's harder to think about random stuff when you're walking backwards, and you got to try to pay attention to what's happening. Now, I know the camera is bouncing all over the place. I'm sorry about that. I don't have a good stabilizer yet. Let's combine this backward walking with some of the breathing that we talked about a couple of days ago. Okay? So, inhale for 3 steps, exhale for 3 steps. 1, 2, 3, exhale. In, out. Okay, so now let's take that and add some of that geometric shape, right? We talked about. So let's go with a triangle. So we're going to inhale for 3 steps. We're going to hold our breath for 3 steps. We're going to exhale for 3 steps. Good morning, Heather. Thanks for checking in here. So, ready? Ready? In. Hold. Exhale. Good morning, Jason. Thanks for checking in. For those of you that checked in late, we're working on a way to calm the mind by adding activity that makes us focus. In this case, walking backwards. So again, inhale for 3, hold, exhale. Now we can go to the square breathing. So inhale 3, hold, exhale, hold. There we go. So, give this a shot. Calm down that chitter-chattering monkey mind that so many of us have. When you go out later for a walk, and you probably are, because I have seen an increase in the amount of people walking during this whole coronavirus situation. So you get out and you walk backwards. Really think about what you're doing. Find while you're stepping backwards, are there places in your body that are tensing up? Because this is an unusual movement. And it's harder to see behind you, so you don't know where you're going all the time. So you gotta glance over your shoulder now and then. Give this a try. Add the breathing, whether it's just inhale, exhale, or the inhale, hold, exhale, or inhale, hold, exhale, hold. Play with that. Now, if you want to learn even more about backward walking and its benefits, there's a gentleman by the name of Matt Fury, has an entire training program on it. It's called Daozhou. I believe it's Daozhou. But you can go to mattfury.com and you can find it there. That's all I have for you this morning. as you've noticed probably this week, been talking a lot about relaxation, using the body to relax the mind, and the breath to relax the body. And sometimes the mind to relax the body. That's a different topic we haven't covered yet. So I'm going to turn around and walk backwards back to the house now, but if I do that at the moment, you probably won't be able to see me because the sun will be behind us, so maybe we'll do this. And that is it. That's what I have for you this morning. Get out, try some walking backwards, and I will see you tomorrow. So breathe deep, move well, put more life in your joints so you have more life in your life. There's that sun. And I'll see you tomorrow.